you going to stay in the business for a year? Are you going to stay in the business for 4 years? You don't know. You have to understand this because remember, you are passing on stewardship. You're passing on, responsibilities. So if someone gives you, let's say, £1 million, £2 million, £500,000, they are not expecting you to walk straight out the door. There has to be a handover period. So you must be quite aware. How much are you willing to tolerate as a business owner? Are you willing to wait 6 months, 1 year, 2 years? And that time will also be dependent on how quick you get your money and what the potential valuations could be. So it's the deal conditions. That's the next thing, right? In step 5. Are there non-competes? Are you allowed to start another business in the local area or in the sector? What does that look like? Is it 5 years? Is it 10 years? So you have to understand these conditions that surround the terms of this. And then you're going to go to heads of terms, which is the final valuation. So step 7 is due diligence. Remember when I said in the beginning of this video, 8 out of 10 businesses never sell. And the 2 out of 10 businesses that do go out there, a third of them will fail during this stage. Why is that? Because the job of due diligence is to do a deep dive in your business. They want to make sure that the numbers that you've advertised and what you've said, they actually hold weight under scrutiny. Remember this, professionals will be looking at these numbers here. It won't just be another business owner. They hire a team, they hire a legal team, they hire a financial team, accountants, to make sure whatever you're telling them, it matches what is in the documents.